YOLO! We're gonna fucking do this shit. You thought I was gonna give up, didn't ya? Vikings don't dare give up. I may not be a Viking, but I'll be a Viking princess.
Handsome! Let's get him!
I want his shirt!
Ha! And here you thought I was just another bubble-headed blonde bimbo. Well, the joke's on you. I'm not even a real blonde. If he ever dumps me, ever, he will be dismembered.
What do you guys say when you answer the phone?
What up?
Who'd this be?
No, she's dead. This is her son.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango?